grade 3 pupil. Mayor Pigalbal, grade 5. And John Lex Serrano, grade 6 pupil. Let us... Okay, palakpakan naman po natin yung mga cast. Okay, our main character, as King Erickson Antonio, grade 6 pupil. Valerie Joyce, as Queen, grade 1 pupil. And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting our Prince Rafael, a grade 1 pupil. And our Cinderella, Sofia Nadine Cabariban. Monica, as another Cinderella, Monica Etoralde, grade 6 pupil. And as our narrator, Jordan Sivon Bautista, grade 6 pupil. And our beloved director of this stage play,